Imagine waking up every morning to vibrant hues of style and unmatched luxury at Rise at Riverfront Crossings, Iowa City. That's everyday life. Every cozy studio and charming 1 to 3 bedroom apartment offers a comfy bed, dedicated study space, dishwasher for spotless dishes, in-unit laundry for breezy wash days, and a TV for endless entertainment. You'll also enjoy your own room plus bathroom. Plus, electricity and Wi-Fi are both included in your rent. Focus in the shared study spaces or head to the computer lab to ace assignments. Then recharge in the action-packed gym, dive into the pool, or unwind in the sauna. On weekends, challenge friends in the game room or soak up the sun in the courtyard. With smart access, security cameras, reliable staff support, and bike storage, life here is smooth and secure. Best of all, the University of Iowa and Mount Mercy University are just a short drive away, and buses from Court Street and Capitol Street make transit effortless. Rise at Riverfront Crossings gives you the perfect student life in Iowa City. Book today on amberstudent.com.